What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on TIA and on some interesting trading opportunities that I'm currently watching here. So if you are interested about the exact entries that I'm planning to take on this coin, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. You can see that TIA is right now forming this rising wedge on the 4-hour. Right now, I don't think there is like a good opportunity for opening both long and short trade, but because this coin is in like a heavy uptrend, I am only watching here opportunities to get into a long position. So right now I'm watching here these three support areas. The first one is between 13.01 and 12.65. The second one is between 11.53 and 11.05, and the last one is between 9.54 and 9.21, 9.20 approximately. As you probably know, if you are watching my videos, that I am always waiting for a support confirmation if I want to get into a long position. And this time it's no different. So if there will be like a testing of this first support area, and then if there will be a support confirmation, I will be considering here a long position. But you can see that the risk reward ratio won't be probably that good in this first support. So the support confirmation needs to be absolutely perfect, because that's the only way that I'm even considering here a long position. Stop loss in that case you can put just under this support area, or under the low that we will create during a liquidity grab, because the price can go under and still we can manage to do a support confirmation above. So the stop loss, put it either below this support or below the low that we will create during the fake out. The last take profit target, well, this is pretty hard to tell. Definitely some of the profits you can take under this current all-time high, which is on the level 14.78, or you can place it on the higher levels, because you can see TIA is in the heavy uptrend. So I think there is pretty high probability that we are actually gonna go reach the higher levels. So let's say you can use, for example, level 19, yeah, something like that, which will give you a risk reward ratio around 14, which is pretty good. But if you will take, let's say, safer stop loss, it will be still around 10. So yeah, if the condition of perfect support confirmation is met here, then I will be thinking about opening a long trade. Let's now take a look on the second long scenario, and in my opinion this second scenario is much better than the previous one. So if there won't be a support confirmation and the price will go test this area, then I will be thinking about opening a long trade. But again, I need to wait here for a support confirmation of this support of this rising wedge, and also of this support area. Another thing that I want to see here is a liquidity grab under these two supports. So let's say something like happened, for example, here, because you can see that while we was testing this resistance area, we have already here this support level, and we also have here this support trend line. And you can see that the price was testing, then we had here like a liquidity grab, and the price went immediately back up. So yeah, that's the scenario that I'm currently looking for here. But of course the support confirmation can happen without it, but in my opinion, if the fake out will happen, there is much higher probability of that successful trade. Take profit targets can remain the same as in the previous one. So the exact trade can look, for example, like this. So you can put the stop loss under the low that we will create. So if it will do, let's say, something like this, yeah, you can place the stop loss. And the last take profit target, as I said, it can remain the same. So the risk reward ratio will be like 8.3, which is lower than in the previous scenario, but in my opinion the trade is much safer. So yeah, take some of the profits under this current week high, under let's say level 19, and also under this support area, because there is still some probability that the market will do, let's say, something like this. So yeah, just take some of the profits before we hit this support, and then move your stop loss to entry so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. And let's now take a look on the last trade. You can see that this last support area is approximately like 30% of a net move. So yeah, for this coin it wouldn't be, let's say, a pretty big hit, but in my opinion it's just like not impossible, because you can see that this coin is in like heavy uptrend and we don't have here like any, let's say, bigger pullbacks. So yeah, some, let's say, liquidity grab or yeah, something like this to the support area can, in my opinion, really happen. So for this last support area, I'm watching here two interesting, let's say, scenarios, because in my opinion there is let's say some probability that we will be testing this support level, and then there will be like a liquidity grab to this support area. So if you want to have, let's say, more risky entry, you can place the entry and wait, just wait. Do not wait for that support confirmation, and stop loss you can put under this previous low. With this setup, there is pretty high probability of liquidation, but if there will be some fake out and liquidity grab, you can also get absolutely insane price for this coin, because the entry can be, let's say, on the level approximately, let's say, 9.6. Always put the entries above the important support levels. So yeah, in that case, the trade can look, for example, like this. Yes, stop loss under this previous low, and the last take profit target, well, it can remain the same. You can still aim for that $19. But again, take some of the profits under this support, and under this support, and under previous week high, and then yeah, some profits on the higher level. And if you don't want to, let's say, speculate here for that liquidity grab, and you want to wait here for that support confirmation, well, in that case, again, you can wait for a fake out. The trade will be much safer, but you are taking that risk that you are gonna miss the liquidity grab. But yeah, I'm thinking that there will be like 20% chance of this liquidity grab, so the chance is like honestly not that high, but I will be counting on that scenario. So yeah, that's the main trades that I'm currently watching on this coin. And of course, there is possibility that I am not that I'm taking like none of them, because the conditions won't be met. So always wait for a proper setup, because this is trading and you have interesting opportunities in the market every single day. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing the analysis every single day. But yeah, this will be all for me for today. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.